What's up, y'all? It's another video of PREZ Lifestyles. Um, Quick little video just to break it down. A lot of people have been panicking because the stock market is way different right now than what they're used to. If you just started investing in the last, I'm gonna say, 2 or 3 years, you might notice a very big difference between the stock market then and the stock market now. However, there's still a lot of opportunities in the stock market. You just have to be more aware. You kind of have to change up your strategies just a little bit, but besides that, like I said, it's not too bad. I really want to jump into cryptocurrency. Um, Last year, Doge and Ethereum, they shot up around the same time, really fast. Bitcoin too shot up crazy. Everybody was going crazy about it. It was the big phenomenon. Everybody had to invest into it, and then it just stopped and started to drop. Now it's been dropping. Nobody's talking about it. However, I've been trying to explain to people these are long-term investments. So don't think that you're investing into the stock market or cryptocurrency for a few months and calling yourself an investor. I hate to break it to you, but you're not an investor. If you're only investing for a few months, a year, year and a half, you're not really a real investor because real investors, when they go into a lot of investments, normally they'll look into something that's about 3 years minimum. Some will even say 5 years minimum. So when you're looking at a few months or maybe shy of a year or a year, that's not really investing. I'm just throwing it out there just so a lot of you guys are aware. And then a lot of people have this idea that when it drops, when anything that you invest in drops, to just pull out. Absolutely not. That's one of the worst things you can do, because just because you see that you're taking a loss, you're not really taking a loss until you pull out your money. Once you pull out your money, that loss becomes real. That's not a good or a smart play. So in other words, take that loss that you see, but don't let it be recorded. Keep that investment going until you can go back to those numbers. Trust me, it'll go back up. It's not the end of the world. You have to separate your emotions from money. It's very important to do that. Right now, Doge, it went up. I remember I jumped in when it was about 5 cents. It shot up to 72 cents. That was the highest. It shot up to 72 cents. Then it shot all the way back down. It's been going down slowly. It just shot down to 5 cents again. And then out of nowhere, miraculously, 1 week, it just shot up 30%. It's basically hovering about 7 cents, almost 8 cents. So now imagine for the people that didn't get in, that was a good opportunity at that 5 cents mark. And the people that did get in when I first got in, it's still a great opportunity because I call that the reset. And that's the same thing with Ethereum. Ethereum shot all the way back down. It was about 900 for one quantity. So I mean, you got to think about it like that. There are going to be resets, but resets just means it's an opportunity to make even more money. So, when I see stuff like that, it doesn't bother me. Even when Doge first shot up to about 60 cents, I bought more and I brung up my average from about 5 cents to about 16 cents. So I was like, whatever. But I was telling people that I can't wait for it to drop back down. So when it does, I'm going to buy a lot more for a lot cheaper. Well, I got my wish. So I wasn't surprised at all. If your average is high and you're in Doge right now, I would suggest buy more. Because if you're thinking, oh, I'm scared if it'll drop again, guess what? If it drops again and you're still invested, it doesn't really matter because you're bringing down your average. Like I said, my average was 16 cents because I bought when it got much higher. Now that I've been buying more, my average dropped down to about, I think 8 cents right now. And I'm going to drop it down even more as I buy more. And that's how you bring your averages down. So it's going to work out because when it does shoot back up, which it will, I'm going to make a lot more money than I did the first time it shot up. So that's just how the market operates. It goes high, it goes low, but you're still in the game. You're not losing money realistically until you actually pull out. So like I said, You have to have thick skin. You can't see that, okay, you put in $1,000 and then it shot down by half and now you got $500 and it's only been a few months. Even if it's been a year, you're going to look at it and you're going to say, let me pull out. You're basically just taking that loss, because the mindset is going to say, oh, if it shoots down more, I'm going to lose more than $500. You're not losing money until you pull out. So if you're still in there, you always have the opportunity for it to go back up and for you to make your money back. I've been invested into companies that shot down and I noticed that I've lost about 2,000, 3,000, and I just held it, and then within a few months, even a year, long and behold, I look and I'm back in positives. So it's not really a big issue. I just had a whole conversation with somebody that said that they lost $150,000, and the reason why they lost it is because they jumped all into a company and it shot down, and one of their friends was like, you should just pull out. Okay, I know you lost 150,000 basically. Your mindset is, I don't want to lose anymore. Understandable. 150,000, that's something. So then from there, he jumped out, listened to his friend, and then what happened with that, about I believe a year later, it shot all the way back up to what he bought it in as, and then it went over. So if he would have just stayed in, he would have still had his 150,000 and he would have made more money. So these are the things that you guys have to be aware of, because I see a lot of people are panicking. People are saying, oh, the market is crashing, pull your money out, pull your money out. No, this would be the time to actually buy more for cheaper. And if you're in there invested already, yes, you can take out some profits, makes sense, but still make sure that you are invested, because it's going to go back up and you're going to make more money. You don't want to buy high and sell low. That makes absolutely no sense. You want to buy low and sell high. That's just how that works. So other than that, that's basically what I wanted to share with you guys. Any questions or any concerns, any stocks, any type of investment ideas that you guys want to know, let me know. Even with credit, let me know what's going on, what type of financial information that you would like to know about. Of course, always any companies that you guys are interested in, let me know. Oh yeah, stay with Amazon, as I said, because it did shoot down and it's perfect. It's perfect time to buy. Very big perfect time to buy. So do not miss the opportunity. Don't jump in when everybody's talking about it, when out of nowhere miraculously Amazon's at 500 and now you want to jump in because it's shooting up. That doesn't make sense. Try to catch it before it shoots up and before it gets popular. That's how it works. But anyway, you guys take it easy. I appreciate all my subscribers. Like I said, I'm going to keep doing these videos because this is just what I do. I'm not going to do a video every single week because I have a lot of content that I've already been breaking down, a lot of financial advice and stuff like that, or just financial information, to be honest, because I am not a financial advisor, but I do like to get out the financial information and stuff that I'm personally doing. Other than that, that's basically, where I'm at. As I said, I'm not going to do a video every single week because I have so much content that you guys can actually look at any given time, and it will still apply for today. So it does not matter what's going on right now, but the information will still be there and it will still stay the same. So if there's anything that's new, anything else is happening, something changes in the laws that might mess with credit or stock market or cryptocurrency, then yes, I will definitely have a different video talking about it. Any other investments that I see that's big or about to be big, I'll definitely talk about it. However, right now, as I said, I'm looking at cryptocurrency because I'm seeing a huge opportunity. As I said, Doge for this week already shot up 30%. I believe Ethereum also shot up to about 28%, because at one point it was about $900. Now it's about $1,200. So I mean, it's shooting up. Bitcoin, it's about, I think, 21,000. It was at about 19 or 18,000. So it's moving. Like I said, Bitcoin at one point was 60,000. So if you see it right now, even at 21,000, just remember where it was at. and I'm pretty sure, like I'm 100% sure, it's gonna shoot up to that level again. When is it gonna shoot up to that level? I do not know. I'm not gonna lie to you, but we know that it's capable of it, and it will. Anyway, you guys take it easy. Any questions? Please feel free to let me know what's going on in the comments. Actually, like my video, please share it, because I do have content that a lot of people have not seen. So I do come across people that's asking me certain questions, and I'm just like, I covered this months ago. So please share it. I love the support. I'm going to keep with the videos. As I said, I'm not going to be as frequent with it because I do have a lot of content, but if something is going on, trust me, I'm going to get it out there. You guys take it easy.